welcome back to another episode of the Rad Skate Park check-in across NYC. If you guys don't know who I am Vincent Basile, and I got my man Anthony Biondo behind the lens. This is episode 36, and we arrived at the Williamsbridge Oval Skate Park in the Bronx, New York. And I also have my man Gustavo, who's actually hurt right now, so he's just sitting out taking photos. And I got the terror himself, TRISTEN Maldonado, the gorgeous gangster. I think I said what I needed to say, and let me show you this thing. So let's get in here. We ain't waiting nothing out, bro. We out here getting clipped. How long have we been here, Vin? 5 minutes? I'm not leaving yet. This is not over. Game delay. Don't say it stopped. We're gonna chill.
Oh, yeah,
we're not out. We're out here getting clips, dog.
You gotta get your board,
Who's
bro.
buying me new bearings? Get my board.
Go ahead. I want your boy anyway.
Yeah, that's right.
He got the new board.
What's up? Damn.
Hey, let me show you something real quick. We on that rail. That cool shape one.
Yeah?
I'm just going 50-50.
Yeah. Welcome to Williamsbridge Oval Skate Park. Right off the bat, you got this handrail, the ledges right here, and a 3-stair. It was raining, we waited out, and it's dry. First feature, quarter pipe attached to this big quarter pipe. Nice coping on it too. Right next to the quarter pipes, nice 3-foot ledge. Nice flat top right here. Send your tricks off this thing. You don't usually see just ledges out of the blue. Nice little drop. Right next to it is a little wall ride. Nice little wall ride feature here. A-frame, it's decent sized, no coping on the edges, but it's definitely waxed up a lot. You got your round rail connected right to it. It's got like ledges attached to it too, but they're not waxed up yet. All right, guys, hold on. Oh. Hold on, not yet. You got agita? Yeah. All right, guys, right at the opposite side of the park, we got this little bowl section. It's the same size from this point here all the way to the other side of the park. Before we go anywhere else, check out the bumps. The humps, the mumps. We're just gonna show you the two more bumps. Yeah, we got you, bro. Right here. You got it, homie. Ooh. Oh, you got it. We'll get some clips. We'll be here all day. Here's another entrance. You can come from the field area. This is rad because it's got like a miniature bank built into it. You never really see this one. That's a really kinked rail. Who's making that turn? Yo, check out this flat bar. Nice and wide. Definitely bring wax. You don't want to get stuck on this thing and then, you know, that's not good. Probably like 10 foot long. That's my guess. It's not 2 foot. It's probably a foot and a half. Good like that. That's what I like to see. I like the fun boxes. It looks like it's smaller at this point and it gradually gets bigger at that point. Nice coping built right into it. It's a mani pad and it's a fun box. Another quarter pipe. We showed you the quarter pipes when we got in here, and now it's like a mirror image on the side, minus the bigger quarter. And another wall ride and a ledge. Standing from the top area, we have a hubba here that's attached to this Euro gap bank and another hubba. We got a nice 6-stair right here, handrail right in the middle, and then more hubbas. That's the park. Let's get some clips, right? Yeah, hopefully it doesn't rain again.
I wish I could keep the camera.
All right, come here. All right, so you're gonna come up right here. And you're just gonna hold it low. Try to hold it at an angle. He's gonna be coming
So it's
up.
recording, right?
It's recording right now. So you wanna get low right here.
Right here?
Yup. And then you want to try to follow him. So as he comes in, you're going to follow him up. Yeah, you got it. Yo, you filmed it. Good job, man. Appreciate it. You gonna get some clips too? him up.
I got him with the back.
Got it. Good shit.
Thanks, bro.
Good shit.
Got it. Killing it.
Up there, got it. Oh, my man is shook in his shorts. Right here. Oh, rock the fakey. Watch out.
Add water fountains in here. If only there was a water fountain in this skate park, that would have been good because I'm not thirsty right now.
Me too, I'm thirsty. What's up, New York? Yeah, what's up with this water fountain? Back. Are you guys still watching? Round 3, the rain stopped and we're still here. First tee. Quick. It's a brand new park and it's super smooth. I have no complaints here. It's great, A+. Gotta go. See ya. That's how it's done. Yeah! disgusting, tired. We showed you Williamsbridge Oval. I hope you enjoyed it. Shout out to Gustavo taking pictures. Shout out to Tristan. Guys, I say it all the time, if you like the content and you're not following us on social media, find us at Facebook and Instagram at Rad Boardsport Co. Check out our website at www.radboardsport.co. I hope you liked the video. I hope you're still watching. Catch us on the next episode. We came, it rained like 4 times. People were scattering left and right and we just stayed put. We had the little homie filming. Oh yeah, that little kid was, I don't know, I forgot his name, but we got a clip of you if you're watching this video.
And he filmed some clips too.
And catch us on the next episode. And don't forget to ride all day.
Make sure to like and subscribe.